Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset password on cex.io. Forgetting a password happens to everybody and cex.io makes it easy to recover your account safely. Resetting your password helps you regain access while keeping your account secure from unauthorized users, and in this guide you will learn simple step-by-step process to reset your cex.io password. First, you can open to your cex.app in your website here. So open any of the web browser, and after that in the top there's an address bar. Type on cex.io and enter it. Once you get into this interface of cex.io, in the top right corner, click onto the sign in here. So here what you can do is you need to click onto this forgot password here. And here in order to reset your password, you need to type down your email address and click onto this continue here on the bottom. So after that, you need to check your mail, go to your gmail.com. And here you need to click onto this cex.io and confirm your reset password. Click onto this confirm here. And over here, you need to create a new password, which is a minimum 10 character as well. And after that, simply type down your new created password and click onto this confirm, and that is it. This is how you can reset your password in cex.io. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.